How to fix Instagram filters not working. Welcome to How to Solution. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can quickly fix why your Instagram filters are not working. So simply open up Instagram, go to your camera, and then from over here simply click once, and if the filters don't work for you, simply go back, open up settings, and then after that from over here search for Instagram or applications. Now once you have Instagram opened up, now from over here, scroll down and then simply click on force stop from the bottom right and then click on OK. Now click on Instagram once again, and now Instagram is going to load up freshly. So now from over here, simply scroll to the left, and then now if you guys were to click and hold, well then your Instagram filters will be working perfectly, because that is the only problem that happens usually that causes your Instagram filters not work properly is because your Instagram app is bugging out. So right now if I were to click and hold on Instagram filters, then I will be able to see that Instagram filters are now working. So as you guys can see that Instagram filters are now working. So guys, this is how you guys can use Instagram filters, and this is how easy it is to use them. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.